Aya, jokokoth, jokarachuonyo, kuye ni Nyasaye ber kumose yamo kama. Nyasaye ber. To seche te adwari wara gi welo gi jotelo mobiro wendo wakawuono ka wako jaduong'. Ne wan ka chieng' Sabato kendo ne wabudho gi jodala. Ne wabudho gi mine, Mama Elsie, Mama Elizabeth, Nyikamanga. Ne wabudho gi profesa makore wuoyi maduong' e dala. Ne wagombaka gi jodala kendo ne wasekweyo chunygi. Ayie gi jabura mowacho ni kodhi moa kokoth en kodhi maber. Nikech kata mana nyakwamba mineno ni mama na koth kokoth. Minwa mador ka nyanya chieng'a. Donge migogo kokoth ka. Emo wuok ka to dhi waondo to riwore Kajwang' nyakwamba to mane kodhi mogolo Tieno Kajwang' nyakwamba bado mapambano. Mane kodhi mogolo TJ Kajwang', the Chief Justice of the People. Kendo mane kodhi mogola Musa wuod Ajwang' makoro Senator ma Homa Bay. Omiyo koth kokoth en kodhi maber. Kik bed bana ni wadwa kao nyiri to ni wacho ni joma chuo ni koro meti kagolo ji oko tajiwo uni ukao kokoth ka nikech en kodhi maber. Adwana kel apologies ma Governor Orengo. Ne joka wino Governor Orengo ni watudore godo no nengo bed ka to dich no make. Nitie ote manora godo na sekete lwet treasurer miluongo ni Justice Madan. Justice Madan oseyudo ote manwa kuom Governor Orengo. Kata debed ni apologies mag Governor Wanga no sekel en bende no kwaya ni kachopo. Takwa ng'wono ni dich no make no konyal bedo ka. Deputy Governor ma Homa Bay Yugi Magwanga bende ne wan godo ka chieng' ngeso en bende dich no make no konyal chopo. Senator Beatrice Ogola ma bende ya Kanyamua ma wan gode Senate kocha bende no wacho ni kachopo kata kel rambi mare kenda kwane ng'wono. Senator Mamigori, Senator Eddie Okech bende no nyisa ni kachopo takel condolences kenda kel apologies mage. Nyiso ni senators makaluo wariwore waduto te. Jok malit na mana jo Kisumo gi. DG Owili kikune ni un gi gape I Kisumo. Tij Senate ma Kisumo wabotiyo. Wan kata da bed mana ni an Senator ma Homa Bay, jo Kisumo ok bibedo kich kochopo e Senate kocha nikech wabodino fuok gi wich kuot ma Professor Jiendo ketonwa e Senate kacha. Katieko to na gombo ni monda riura gi Daktari Oburu. And allow me to say this in English. That it is completely out of order for leaders within our coalition to continually blackmail Raila Amolo Odinga and the ODM party. Everywhere Raila goes outside Luoland, you find people putting him in small corners and in small rooms that Raila should live for them. What we want our coalition partners to remember is that William Ruto is very beatable. In fact, if an election was held today, even with the IBC as dysfunctional as it is, Senator Sifuna, I am convinced if a snap election was called today, Raila Amolo Odinga will defeat William Ruto. Because Kenyans are tired. The only strategy that William Ruto is remaining with is to disorganize us within the coalition. And we must desist from this conversation of who is going to be the president and deputy president at this point in time. Our leaders have given us directions. Let us go and strengthen our parties. Let ODM be strong. Let Wiper be strong. So that at the last day, we ask, what are you bringing to the table? Wewe ODM, Oduoro Ngwen, umeleta watu wangapi? Wewe Wiper, Wambua, umeleta watu wangapi? Wewe Wajakoya, umeleta watu wangapi? Hapo kwa Wajakoya ndio naona shida kidogo kwa sababu watu wa bangi wako wengi sana hii Kenya. Lakini siwe tu watu wa bangi, iwe members wa chama. Let us strengthen our parties and let us desist from this conversation that Raila should live for other people. He still is our candidate, and we shall be with him unless our principles make a different decision. Finally, on IEBC, I think that is the most urgent matter facing us as we go back to Parliament. We insist the court ruled from a legal perspective. The IEBC is a political issue. And that is the reason why Raila Odinga said, despite the ruling of the court, this is not just a legal matter, this is a political matter. And the solution was provided by Kalonzo Musyoka and the team that was in NADOC. That is the most urgent thing, beside raising revenue that we want to send to counties. I want to urge my colleagues in the National Assembly that this time let us agree to send 450 billion to counties, so that our counties can have 10 billion each, so that even if we are marginalized by William Ruto, our counties have got resources. That is an urgent thing that is facing us as leaders today. Jothuru adhum koso kado. Odonjo koso kodonjo. Eruru kamani.
Asante sana, Senator. Yes. Aya, tafadhali Mama Bensuda pia amesema anataka kuondoka. Tunakuja kwa wabunge wote. Wakati anakuja